In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Udemy courses. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your account, and then you want to go to My Learning up top over here. Just click on that. And then from the list of your courses, you want to just select the one you would like to refund. So for example, I'm going to go with this one, which is basically just the one that I enrolled in for this tutorial. So I'm going to click this. And then from here, from anywhere inside this course, what you have to do is at the very top right, you can see those three dots next to the share button. Just click on those three dots. And over here, there will be an option at the very bottom, which will look like this. It will say request a refund. Now over here, I cannot refund this one because it was a free course. So in case your course was free, you won't see this button. But if you actually paid for the course, you will see the button like this one. It will say request a refund. And then after you click on that, basically you'll see your refund method, which usually is going to be the price of the course in Udemy credits, or sometimes you may only get a partial refund depending on how much you have watched, how much time it's been since you've bought it, etc. And then you simply have to basically put in a refund reason and then click on submit, and you are done. You've successfully refunded your Udemy course. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.